Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. You discovered Bri Budgets. Okay, you guys. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing another cash stuffing. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so today's video is a tax refund stuffing, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive right on into here. If you haven't already seen the breakdown for my tax refund budget, pretty much I'm not gonna be stuffing my bills, so like rent, car note, phone bill. I'm not gonna be stuffing those because that's what my normal income paychecks take care of. Tax refund is like extra money pretty much. So I'm gonna start with my credit cards just because I didn't do that for my first paycheck. So this one's gonna cover some of that, and then the rest is going to my sinking fund. So excited for that. But yeah, so my paycheck was, well, tax refund paycheck was $1,000. It honestly was a little bit more than that, but I had to use that to pay some stuff down early. Don't want to talk about it, but yeah. So the remaining is $1,000. So we'll go ahead and jump right on in and start counting that money up. So my caramel baby, we keep all of my envelopes for like money and stuff pretty much. I mean, well, that's what all of them do, honestly, but this one holds my cash in particular, just, you know, look cute or whatever. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and count it up. We should have $8,000. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 354, 455, 556, 657, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 890, 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 965, 970, 975, 980, 985, 990, 995, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,000. Whew, all done. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in our tray, but make it cute. So yeah, guys, this is my tax refund. Did you guys already file your taxes? Are you an early bird or are you a late bird? How do you guys do your taxes? I try and do mine as soon as I get my W-2. I only worked one job last year compared to the year before that, having multiple jobs, so I only had to wait for one. So that made it so much easier to file all of my taxes, and I can do it all online. Don't have to wait for the mail copy, which makes it even better. Yeah, I file my taxes early because, well, I just prefer that. It's like a refund to myself pretty much. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into my binders. Alrighty, y'all, so this is my white binder, and she holds all of my bills and expenses. So like I said, some of these I'm not going to be stuffing because this is like extra money per se. And yeah, with the exception of like my credit cards, because I didn't do them for paycheck number 1, so I'm taking it out of my refund instead. So yeah, and it was a really low paycheck too for paycheck number 1, 400. I didn't even have enough, so I was like, it's whatever, I'll just push it onto my tax refunds. So it works out in the end anyway. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right on to Discover. Perfect. So Discover is going to be getting $20. I do not have any money in any of these envelopes because this is the first time I'm stuffing them this month. So we're going to be getting $20 today. And that is, of course, like a weekly amount. That's not the actual amount that's due. I wish it was, but it's not. So yeah. Okay, for Citibank, we're going to be doing $150. So this is 2 credit cards in one. I don't have another envelope because at the time I only had 1 Citibank card, but now I have 2. So yeah, I'm not going to make another envelope either, at least not in this color scheme. But yeah, so we got $150. By the way, if you guys want to see how I make my envelopes, let me know. I know some people are interested. But yeah, I'm curious. Who else wants to see that? Alrighty, so Apple Card's going to be getting $15. This is like the one envelope that got really messed up, but no worries. It happens. It happens. So I got $15. Boom. And then we're going to jump to Dead Snowball. That Snowball is going to be getting $267. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and count it. We got 1, 2, 50, 260, 265, 267, 266, 267. Oops. Okay, cool. And so let's add what we have. Perfect. So I should have a total of 377 in here. So we got 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 360, 370, 375, 371. I mean, 376, 377. Goodness, I cannot count today. That's crazy. It is what it is, though. Okay. So now that these are done, on to the fun ones. So these are my sinking funds that I keep in my black binder. So yeah, we're going to be stuffing every single one of these, which is so exciting. But yeah, so Bri Spending's going to be getting $60. I think I crushed this one. Yep, definitely crushed it. So she has no money anymore. But she's going to be getting 60 today. So we got 20 just in case I need to spend the actual cash. Don't want 50s in there. So we got 20, 40, $60. Alrighty, for Bri Savings, we're going to be putting in $60. This one actually has money. So let me pull that out first. Got 50, 60. Perfect. So I should have 193. So that's 50, 150, 170, 180, 185, 186, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Perfect. 193 to Bri Savings. I really try so hard not to touch this envelope as much because I'm just trying to save, you know, some extra money aside from my like personal savings account in my bank. So yeah. Luxury is going to be getting 55. I do have money, I believe, in the rest of these envelopes. So we'll go ahead and pull this money out. So it's 55. Perfect. So we got 150, 250, 260, 265. Perfect. So my luxury is pretty much for like, you know, fancy stuff. So right now I'm trying to get a YSL bag. Am I going to do it by the time I save it? I don't know. I probably will spend it on something else like credit card debt. LOL. So yeah, camera's going to be getting $65. So we got 50, 65, and camera. So the reason behind camera, I want to get a vlogging camera because I'm sick of using my phone for all my videos and stuff. Because it takes up a lot of space. Like, the phones are great, don't get me wrong. Like, you're paying a whole lot of money for an iPhone anyway. The camera is, like, great. But the storage is just not the best. So, camera will be so much better because you can change out the, like, little cards or whatever. So, yeah, it'll be perfect for, like, vlogging and all that good stuff. So, yeah. So, camera has 235. So, we got 150, 220, 230, 235. Perfect. I realize that I say perfect like all the time. How perfect is that? Okay, cool. So car maintenance is going to be getting $48. So this is for like, you know, car things, right? So all things car, if I want to get a car wash, if I want to, I don't even know. Just everything. Oh, oil. If I need an oil change, yeah, like stuff like that, pretty much. Okay, cool. So that's 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, $48. Boom. So I should have 168. Oh, that's like a little bit more than oil change. That's great. I love it. So cool. So we got 120, 140, 160, 165, 166, 167, 168. Boom. Perfect. I might even be able to throw in a little air freshener. Stuff is expensive nowadays, y'all. Stuff is expensive, but it's okay. Gifts is going to be getting $50. I know I have money in here because I told myself to not spend that. Perfect. 50. So we're adding a 50. Plus the 50, so that is 50, 100. Boom. That's the simplest math ever. At least for my videos. Yeah. Okay, so medicals are going to be getting $50. Woo. And I'm proud of myself. I haven't touched medical in a while either, so boom. So that's 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 155. Boom. Okay. Next is going to be travel. So I did crush my travel fund. I took it all out and deposited it into my account because I'm going to be paying my trip fee and everything that's due. It's not due until April, so I'm trying to hold on to it until then. But I mean, I might just go ahead and pay it all or whatever. We'll see. Haven't decided yet. But yeah, so there's no money in here right now, but we're going to be adding 75. Pretty much everything else that I add to it right now is going to be for like clothing for the trip, any extra things I need, like a new luggage, like little small things I need, like water stuff. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to be adding 75. So that's 50, 75. Perfect. Oops, I said it again. Okay, emergency fund's gonna be getting 85. Y'all, I'm getting closer and closer to $1,000. So happy. So $85 today. So that should be the rest of it. Hopefully, let's see. 50, 70, 85, boom. So I should have a total of 482 in here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that is 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 470, 475, 480, 481, 482. Perfect. Y'all, I'm like literally $18 shy of 500. That is halfway to the goal. I love it. I love it. Well, guys, that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, like usual, comment them down below. Check out my TikTok, which is Bri Budgets, my Instagram, which is the Bri Budgets. But yeah, guys, so excited to keep on growing on YouTube and everything. But thank you guys for your support. As usual, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.